To cook long-grain white rice, first select a broad, shallow saucepan, deep skillet, or sauté pan with a snug-fitting lid. Place 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of uncooked rice in the saucepan and bring to a boil. Add rice and salt if desired, and stir. Return the mixture to boiling and stir once. Cover and reduce heat to low. Cook for 15 minutes or until all the water is absorbed. Do not lift the lid or stir. Remove the lid carefully and try not to let the condensation on the underside of the lid drip into the rice. Fluff the cooked rice with a fork, stir, and remove from the pan. 1 cup of uncooked white rice will generally yield about 3 cups of cooked rice.